Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Passat key battery. First, gather your essential tools, a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Make sure you're working in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing small parts. This simple task is quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes, and will restore your key's full functionality. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small seam running along the side of your key. This is where you'll insert your tool. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently wedge it into this seam. Apply a slight twisting motion to carefully pry the two halves of the casing apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic, and the fob should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Test your key to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Your key should now be fully functional, ready for many more uses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.